Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the law of relativity. It is a law and law is working all the time. What is our law of relativity and what to do with our goals, personal goals and professional goals? It is got everything to do with personal goals and professional goals. We're trying to attract law for attraction and how that works, law for attraction according to law of relativity. So, what is a law of relativity? There is a law in the universe world, and they are working all the time. Whether you believe them or you don't believe them, that does not going to make any difference. And the laws are there. Laws are working all the time. They are universal laws. So I'm talking about the universal laws. I'm sharing this information what I have learned, and it's my testimonial, and this what I'm learning, and this what I'm sharing is working for me. It can work for you also around your business or might be personal goals. So whatever your goals are, how to use that law of relativity. So say example, you're trying to build the business, you're trying to expand your business, you're buying the business, or you want to sell your product, whatever your reason is, your personal goals, and you wants to buy something. If you think I cannot, because law of relativity is everything in the universe world is nothing small and nothing big. In the physical side of it, how we look at the things, they are as it is. But in the non-physical side of it, there's no big and small. And how we make out of that big and small is that is our version of thinking and saying that. But in the according to the universal laws, according to the law of relativities, if we are comparing with something like small and big, and there is a no big and small, maybe to look, but in a non-physical side of it, no, everything as it is. And how we make of is big and small is a non-physical side of it. How we think and feel, and because we are working in a low vibration. So what I want to say, in the universe world, there's no big and small. We think and we look at it as it is. But in the non-physical side of it, there's no big and small. How you make out of that, and is going to work according to that. So why we need that law of relativity around business? Because if you think I cannot do something, and that is your thoughts, your emotions and feelings, and thoughts and emotions are feeling working on the law of frequency. So the frequency is a line of in the universe world from bottom to top. So what are we trying to say? If you think I cannot do it, because you're coming from the lower thinking, means your thoughts are your thoughts saying I cannot do it, I cannot expand, or I cannot have it more, your money or your business or your product, or you to sell your product, because you're thinking from lower to top, low to bottom to low, low to oh sorry, just let's start again, up and down. So from you're thinking from down to up, so that means your level of frequency, your level of thoughts and emotions are on a working uh, from the low side of the level of frequency. So if you want to increase something, if you want to think bigger, if you want to expand, then you have to start thinking from the top to bottom. So, and to expand more or think more or do more, we have to start working from the top to bottom. Top to bottom means you can expand your business, you can work around your business, you can sell your product. So whatever your lack is, and if you start to think according to the law of relativity, as I said, there's no difference in the law of relativity, and everything is a connected means if you think low and high, it's all connected. But how we going to think about that law is gonna relate it to our results is going to relate to our feelings, our vibration, and our level of frequency. So everything is connected to the level of frequency and level of vibration. If your thoughts and your feelings, your emotions are connected to the I cannot do it, I cannot expand, or I cannot, I'm thinking from the lack, you are connected to that vibration from the bottom, because everything from works from the top to bottom. As I said, all everything is connected from the top to bottom, and the level of, and we are thinking in a level of frequency, level of vibration, and that's what we are vibrating. So in the universe world, law of relativity is no big and small. Everything is as it is, as we think and look at it. But in the non-physical side of it, and there's no difference, and everything's as it is it, and from everything works from top to bottom, bottom to top. Is all up to how we think and feel emotionally, and the level of vibration we are vibrating. So what I'm really trying to say here, law of relativity is connected to our thoughts and emotions and feelings, and that vibration is connected to that thoughts and emotions and feelings, how we think as our thoughts. If your thoughts are not going to change, how we think, and how we feel emotionally, and that's what you're going to vibrate. To change that, you have to change your thoughts, you have to change your emotion and feelings, and you have and your level of frequency and level of vibration automatically going to change, because you are, that's what you are vibrating through your emotions and feelings. That's what you're sending the message to the universe world, and that message is coming back to you as according to the law. What we send out is always comes back to original, where you have sent that energy from, because we are energy being. So it's a little bit on a level, deeper level of to understanding. All I want to say, just to understand, there's no difference. Everything is a connected law of relativity. There's no separation, big and small, and there's no separation. So if you're thinking like a shrinking, and you're thinking low and not high, high means not expanding your thoughts and your emotions and feelings. That is your thoughts of, okay. If you want to change to opposite, there's an abundance universe world, everything you can do, have, and create, and that going to help you. The law of relativity is going to help you. So there's no big and small, and it's only in the mind, okay, in the universe world. And how we are thinking and feeling emotionally, that's what we're going to attract, and that's what we're going to experience. If you're experiencing lack around your business, and you're thinking I cannot do it, you cannot do means with anything, doesn't matter, person goes or profession goes. This is the reason we feel stuck. We think I cannot do it, because I haven't got the money, I haven't got the tools, I haven't got the resources, and this is the reason I cannot do the things I wanted to do. All I want to say today, law of relativity is working all the time. It's not big and small. How you think, feel emotionally, that what it makes the every your environment according to what you are experiencing. If you want to change that, change the your thoughts and emotions according to the law of relativities. Law of relativity is everything's are connected. How you're going to think, feel emotionally, and definitely is going to help you, because there's no separation in the universe world. Everything is connected. Is and it's all to do with how we think, feel emotionally. That needs to change. But that change comes to taking action every single day, studying every single day, watching the YouTubes, the information you're studying every single day. According to my testimonial, that's what I have learned from my mentors. My mentor is Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher, and that's what I have learned from them, and that's what I'm sharing with you. It's working for me, and it can work for you also. Personal goals, professional goals around your business, and personal goals can be you're buying the new house, or you want to travel, or you want to have more money. Whatever, your everybody's goals are different. My goal is I'm trying to build my business, and I'm thinking and expanding myself, as are my thoughts and my feelings and emotions, and I feel I can do that, and definitely I'm doing it. my business, and anybody can do that. You don't have to be a university graduated, because how we think and feel and emotionally, this how we create and do and have and create. And so if you change your thoughts, your emotions and feelings, and this is the reason you are stuck, all you have to change according to what you want and how you want to think around your business or personal goals. Hopefully law of relativity going to help you, and there's no big and small, and how we think and feel emotionally, and we make out of that. So start to expand yourself, start to think bigger, start to you can do things, you always wanted to do things. So if you do need a further help, please leave the message, and you can send me the message around the on the YouTube. And if you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up, and I would like to see your comments. What do you think about the law of relativity? Are you using that law for relativity? It's working for every each human being, not just for me. Every each human being, law is working. Is not that any some for some people is working, for some people is not working, because I'm aware of it now, and this is the reason I can use that law of relativities. If we are not aware of it, we can think in a shrink in that thought pattern, and then that's what we're going to keep doing and keeps creating the same results. So if you want to change the results and your environment, your circumstances, and you might not change others or change the environment, but you can change yourself and to experience what you wanted to experience, your business or personal goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. So hopefully you're going to start using the law for relativities. So thank you, and leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.